Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Cash App transfers failing. This can happen for a few different reasons, and I'll show you how to troubleshoot each one. So let's dive right in. So first, let's go with the basics here. So this one probably won't work for some cases because they are very simple, but it is worth going through in case that you are just facing just a simple issue. That is why you are facing an error. So first, make sure your Cash App is up to date. So to do this, you can head over to the App Store or Google Play if you're in Android and search for Cash App and check for any available updates because updating can often resolve bugs that might be causing transaction issues. Next, you can ensure that you have enough balance in your bank account to cover the transfer amount. Insufficient funds can lead to failed transactions, so double check your balance to prevent any issues. And another possible reason could be that your bank isn't allowing Cash App to complete the transfer. This can happen if your bank has flagged these transactions. So to resolve this, contact your bank and let them know that transactions via Cash App are authorized by you. Once they confirm, future transfers should process smoothly. And if these steps don't resolve the issues, then this would be the best solution to that. So you can open your Cash App as you can see right here in the video and then tap on your profile icon on the top right and then scroll down to click on support, and then from here you would now be in the chat and explain the issue to the support team. In this way you would be more specific on your problem, so you can just tell them everything about it and they will guide you through everything that you need to do into troubleshooting your own problem so that you would be able to fix it. So yeah, that is basically it. Hopefully this video has been helpful in resolving your Cash App transfer issues. Thank you for watching.